Hey guys, welcome back to Social Freelancer. My name is Abhimanue. So in this video I'm going to show you how you can mute a specific person's Instagram story if that person's story might be very irritating for you daily.
Hello guys, welcome everyone to Social Freelancer. Welcome everyone to Social Freelancer. Today I'm going to talk about this topic is about
My name is Abhimanue.
my name is Abhimanue.
You don't have to unfollow them to avoid seeing their Instagram story. Just mute their Instagram story. That is more than enough. And I will show you a simple trick in which you can mute them, and in future you won't see any single story from their profile, and it might be very useful for you. And just keep watching. I will show that on my phone. Enjoy. Okay, I will show you how to mute an Instagram story. Just long press on a specific Instagram story. If you long press it, you will see view profile and mute option. If you click mute, three option will come: mute post and story, and then cancel. If you want to cancel it, just cancel it. If you want to mute it, you can mute it. Okay, if you're going to mute a story, that specific story will be disappeared at that moment itself. Okay, and don't get confused. If you want to unmute it, go to your profile, click settings, then privacy. From there, go to muted accounts. In muted accounts, you can see that specific profile which you have muted. Okay, go to there. From there you can unmute it. Okay guys, that's it for today's video. If you like it, please do share, subscribe and comment, and don't forget to share this with your friends and families. And next to the subscribe button you can see one bell icon. Do press it so that you will get notification from all my videos, and we will keep in touch. Cheers guys, I will see you in the next video.